Hello guys, welcome, and in this video I will analyze mind medicine stock. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, and let's get started. Here we can see the price chart, and generally it's growing process. Of course it's great, and analysis rating is strong buy, but is it needed to buy right now or not? I will say you later. Okay, let's get started from financials and then go about website and who are the holders of the shares. Here the market cap $700 million. This stock is not paying dividends. Employers only 74 people founded 2010 and CEO is Robert Barrow. Okay, there is a website I will enter later. About ownership we can see free float shares 96% and closely held shares 3.55%. About capital structure, we can see market cap 731 million and debt level is 41 million. Cash equivalents, you can see $183 million. Enterprise value is 589 million, and you can see all this data here, the same thing. So about valuation and summary, we can see market cap and net income from it is minus $122.88 million. So about growth and profitability, about performance, we can see for quarter one it's minus. Net income is going minus for any quarter. You can see Q1, Q2. About annual, it's also the minus. Okay, basically healthcare companies with performance net income in minus. So about estimates we can see here, but estimates are zero for quarter one. For annual one also the same thing. About earnings we can see for quarter one and about annual one. Look on this, just you can press pause and check it out. Okay, I say that this stock is not paying dividend. About debt level and coverage, we can see free cash flow is minus. Cash equivalents here for quarter quarter 2 2024, quarter 4 2024, and here you can see cash equivalents are decreased. Debt level here is increased in Q2 2025. About annual one we can see here in 2024 the highest level of cash and equivalents. About financial position analysis, short-term assets are higher than liabilities. Here long-term assets will decrease and liabilities increase. Okay, about annual one we can see something different. Okay, let's see who are the holders and let's go to the website. So let's see who are the holders from Yahoo Finance, and if I go here, top institutional holders of Mind Medicine. The first place is BlackRock, shares around close to 6 million shares, and date reported in June 30, 2025, and it's 7.63%. The value is $55 million. Here we can see the second place, the third place, Vanguard Group. In this place there is also State Street Corporation, called Capital Management, and that's it. About institutional holders, top institutional holders. About top mutual fund holders, iShares Trust, iShares Russell 2000 ETF holds 1.89 million shares, close to 2 million, and it's 2.48%. And about value, $18 million. You can see another fund also here provided, and by percentage, how percent they hold less than half percent basically after this point. Okay, this is about holders, the top holders, institutional and mutual fund holders. So about website, let's check out the website. Rethinking brain health with transformational innovation, and you can read this information. We use Vejo's science to develop our industry-leading evidence-based pipeline of product candidates that have the potential to transform the treatment landscape for brain health discords, disorders. Okay, let's go down here. We can see 20 million generalized anxiety disorder adults in the United States live with GAD, major repressive disorder, depressive, sorry, adults in the U.S. live mood, and here audits spect, um, spectrum disorder, 5.4 million adults in the US live with ASD. Learn more about our mission and areas of focus. You can see this information here. Research and development pipeline. So anyways, this is a website. We can see there is a Twitter and LinkedIn. Let's open the Twitter and then open the LinkedIn. Let's see what about community that we can see here. 23,000 followers they have. Actually, the last post there is 27 April 2021. So let's forget about this Twitter because they didn't use Twitter basically already long time. They no making news in Twitter. So about LinkedIn, let's see. They must keep active LinkedIn. If not, then I don't know. 38,000 followers. Here is provided from 51 to 2,000 employees. When I go here, let's see the posts, and also we can check out job opportunities. Here 2 days ago, too many people living with mental health disorders are still seeking solutions, and we are proud partners in this project to accelerate mental health research and transformation care and common mental health disorders. Here 45 likes. Another one is 1 week ago, 54 like. Another one 2 weeks ago, 90 like. Here press release. MindMed report second quarter 2025 financial results. And here another information. So they keep active in LinkedIn. Okay, let's return back to the price chart and let's see. Is it making sense to invest right now or not? So at the moment the price has been growth from this point around 265%, and I am not investing in the stock because it's already grown and looks like the train has been you are jumping into the train when it's going already. But by the way, there is a still potential to grow. For example, if you invest in current price, let's take from current price 9.61 for example, 9.68. Okay, if the price will come here 786%, and when I take from here another one, okay, if the price will reach in this point, the profit could be 1487%. But what if you invest in the lowest point? Let's measure, let's see the difference. So that's why I don't recommend to buy. Yes, you can reach 1000%, no problem, but anyways the risks are high to see the crash and maybe price will be returned. That's why I don't recommend to rush. For example, if you invested already at the lowest point and price will come here, it will be 2,956%. And if the price will come here, it will be 5,278%. There is difference, right? From 1,487% and here 5,200%. So I recommend don't rush and wait. If the price will give here like these points, you can invest. For example, on this point there is horizontal line. For example, on this point, let's put the horizontal line here. So you can start invest at this point, and let's make the color in yellow color, and let's see how much discount we need to buy. Okay, if I take from here, it's minus 64%. So okay, but it's up to you. If you think that I am wrong, you can buy in current price and wait to grow. But again, I'm not sure that investing in this point is a good idea. So you need to be patient, and maybe the market will give you the good entry point to buy a little bit later. But again, I could be wrong and maybe the price could go high. But again, I think there is a probability to see the crash. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you find video about helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Now I am saying see you in the next video. You can check out my other videos, and you can also join to my Telegram channel, link down in description. And bye bye.